Hey guys, I am the LegalLockPIcker, and today we're going to spend a couple of minutes going over picking on a budget. And the reason why we're doing this is because it's the holiday season, and it's very important that we get as much out of our dollar as humanly possible, especially in the nature of the business that you're in. Don't forget, we still have the Multipick, Blackline, Jackknife, and the Dangerfield dual gauge Praxis set giveaway. If you're interested in that, we'll talk about it at the end of the video. So, this ilco 605 KW04-41 cylinder set here, you can get on eBay for less than $5 delivered in the US. But it does come with a cost. If you are looking for locks to practice picking with, it's really important that you get something that's going to stand the test of time, and that it isn't as easy as it sounds. This is the ilco, and this is how it comes straight out of the box. It's not a bad cylinder if this is the only cylinder that you can get. It's cheap, and I can see the allure of purchasing it. It has the quick set 1 keyway, so it's got 5 pins in here. Key in, turns, not a big deal. For people who are practicing and want 5 regular pin lock that they can use, this is one of them. This right here is a 3D printed holder I got from Bobby Keys. He does a lot of 3D print work. So do a few other people. And if you can't afford something like this, which, by the way, if you can, I would suggest getting it. This is really great, especially if you're looking for different ways to hold the cylinders. I know how difficult it can be sometimes. This particular one comes with this screw right here, so you place the cylinder in whichever way you want it, and then you tighten it up, and then you can go to work on it. But one of the problems that I hear a lot is, well, it's kind of hard to justify purchasing one of these, or I don't have money, or credit card, or whatever the case is. So what can we do? Well, this right here is an empty medication bottle. You can see that I have the key on an adhesive in the front here. So you just untwist it. Then you pop the cylinder in here. It fits great. Just for this specific thing. And I understand that, this won't necessarily work for everybody, but it's not a bad idea. I suppose if I wanted to, I could put the ring on it here, but for this particular instance, I opted not to. You can get a firm grasp around this right here, and it's not, it's not gonna pop out, which is great. But here is where we get into the gray area. So let's see what we can do in the old thing here. So we're going to get just a regular bottom of the keyway tension tool here. Going to slip it in there. Just so you know, this is how they come. This is how these cylinders come in here. This is brand new, as is this one here. And for some reason, they all look like they need some work done. So I'm going to use a Peterson rake here. It's nothing special. Alright. And like I said, if depending on what you're willing to spend, could dictate what kind of lock that you're going to get. So I suppose you could put a multi-lock lock in there, but if you notice, one of the things that happens is there's buildup at the bottom of the thing here. I know it's hard to see here, but there it is. That's one of the downfalls, and the other is obviously getting it out of here. So you can see that there are some, I guess, inherent problems with that, but it's not all bad. I mean, there are advantages to this. I remember when I first got started, picking in hand like this was the only thing I knew how to do because that's all I had. But you know, that changes over time once you get more locks here. I'm gonna see if we can't there we go, pop that open. So we got that open. I'm going to reset it. Can real quick, and we are gonna crack this open real quick, show you what's inside just in case you wanted to purchase one of these. Now again, if you are just starting off, like I said, you can get these on eBay delivered in the United States for, I think it was less than, I think it was around $5. Like I said, everything comes for a price, and it's not bad considering what you're getting. Okay, we got the tailpiece off. Alrighty. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Whoop. Standard on one. Oh, standard on two. 3, 4, and 5. We're going to leave the top intact because I know for a fact that they are all standard. Again, I don't see anything that jumps out at me here. Just a regular core, pins, and keys. So, like I said before, we still have the Multipick Blackline Extended Edition and Dangerfield 31-piece dual gauge Praxis set giveaway active. All you have to do is leave a comment in the video, be a subscriber, and like it. As soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, what we're going to do is pick the top 2 comments, and those winners are going to get the prizes. I'm also going to put in a brand new ilco lock here in the bundle. So we've got the Blackline edition. We've also got the Praxis set. We have a Brink's lock from the previous video, and now we're going to be adding the ilco on top. So the pot grows every single week. So definitely make sure that you like and subscribe and leave a great comment, and who knows, maybe you could win, especially as the pot grows. If you like this video and want to get your daily dose of legal lock picking, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. Have a great day, guys.